Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. I have an unboxing. I was like, what is that outside the door when I got home today? And I picked it up and I didn't have my glasses on because I had my driving glasses on. And I was like, oh my gosh, what is it? Did my dad ship me something from Washington? Because he bought something? But no, it's my bag! Oh my God. This is my birthday present to myself. I am obsessed with this company already. Like, I don't need to own all their bags, but most 99.5% of their bags are gorgeous. There's only this one bag that I just don't like the color pattern, the colors on it, but that's neither here nor there. I don't have to have every bag. And I told myself this was the last bag I would buy. It might be. It might be. I'm just saying. Oh my, I'm so hot. I just got in. I just literally got in the house and I realized it was my bag and I was like, oh my God, I have to open it. I have to open it. Okay, this is from the Bag Icon, Black-owned luxury leather handbag company that I found on Instagram. I'm so hot. Like, have not cooled down yet. I rode it with the windows down to get the breeze and oh my gosh. It comes with your book of receipts and oh my God, and a purse, a scarf, a thank you card. Her presentation is literally everything. For 15% off my next purchase. Oh, cool. Leave a review and tag them. Yep. I'm so excited. And of course your receipt. Her presentation is top notch. I love it. And there's always something surprising in the bag. Like, I didn't order this. It just comes with the bag. This is so pretty. So we're going to open this little scarf, and this is for the handle. So what you do is this gorgeous handle, or this gorgeous scarf, you wrap it around the handle to protect the leather on the handle because that's what you're handling all the time. And it gives a really pretty look. I cannot wait. This is so pretty. Okay. This is really pretty. Okay. I was not prepared for that. All right. Okay, I love this bag because I love the look of the bag because of the color. It is striking. It is me. It is feminine. And it's a classic look. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Ah, I'm so excited. Okay, okay. Is there anything else in the bag? Okay. Okay. Tissue paper to the side. It comes in a linen dust bag tied at the top. And let me see if we can. We're just going to move this down. Oh! Okay. There we go. When you see this color, I tried to get some light on. Let me put this other light on because when you see this color, come on, work with me. I'm too excited. I need to take a shower. I'm hot and sweaty. Raise the volume of the light. Okay. Look at her. Look at her. Yes, it is hot pink. With the feet, yes, it is hot pink. Oh my God. Straps protected. You just turn the little key, turn the little lock, and you open it like this. It's protected. Oh my gosh. And I've been carrying my Grand Mare since, I don't even know, months. I just couldn't let it go. I love that bag. Oh my goodness. And this, I don't even know what she's called. I forgot. This is the Gwen. I actually had to pre-order this a few months ago. Because they do pre-orders on some of their bags before they actually release them. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm so excited. I'm so freaking excited. Alright, and it opens up, and you've got the inside of the bag. Stuffed with airbags to keep this shape, which I will keep when I'm storing the bag. The inside, oh, this is the strap. Hold on one second. The inside comes with a pocket here, and a zip pocket here. Let's see if we can open this. Oh, it's so smooth. You can't hear it, but because it's that smooth. And let me see if I can get that for you. I'm trying to show you in the light. Ooh. Yeah. So smooth, really good quality, and pink interior. I'm sure you can see that. I am in lust. Oh my gosh. Oh, it came with protective tape on the inside. I was like, what is that? It's protective tape on the inside of the bag. Oh my gosh, she is gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna have to take the plastic off of these. I'm changing my bag this weekend. I don't have a hot pink wallet. I do. Do I? Yes, I have a little small multi wallet thingy. So we will be changing our bags tonight or in a few minutes. I don't know. But this is the Gwen from the Bag Icon. She has feet. I always get feet. Oh, and the feet came with protectors. They are shiny. It came with a rubber protector for when you store it. And all of these little accessories for storing, I will be keeping. Okay? I'm hot. I know I look a hot mess. I am a hot mess. I just am so totally excited. Let me just tear this off. She is so gorgeous. Oh, and to answer your question, yes, she only sent one scarf, but you don't really put the scarf on both, okay? You put it like on one, like maybe the front one or the back one, probably the front one, and then it wraps around it. Just give you a quick idea of what it looks like. Oh, let me just take this off real quick. I will also be keeping this to store the bag whenever it gets stored, because you know it's not going to be stored for long. Okay, so you wrap it around here. It looks really pretty. And then when you get to the end, it like hangs down. It like knots at the end. You get a little bow situation there. And knots at the end. And then you have this gorgeous scarf. It's pretty much like this. But you wrap it, you know, a little tighter. And then it hangs on the ends like this with like a decoration. You don't need a lot of bag charms with this bag. I'm going to probably do the scarf on one of the handles. Yeah. Oh, I don't want to touch the bag. I'm sweaty. Oh, the strap. So you can do a handle. You can also do the strap. And I don't want it to touch me because I'm actually really sweaty. And it comes with the pink tag, which I didn't personalize. I guess I should have. I could have. And it comes with the lock and the key and the strap for the crossbody. And these clasps are really thick and heavy, really high quality. I like that. And yeah, it doesn't have like a special logo on it. Maybe it has an eye. I can't really see it. It has some kind of thing on it. But this is, of course, wrapped in plastic. I will probably use the strap initially. And then this goes on the... What is this for? The lock or the key? This is for the key. Yeah. So, okay. Yes, and then you loop it in through here. I gotta put all this together. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm going to go take a shower, change into something cooler, and yes, I'm so excited. Is it here? Okay. I'm so excited. This bag is so gorgeous. As soon as I saw it, I was like, I have to have it. I have to have it. And now I have it. I pre-ordered it, and I actually forgot that it was shipping. Because I haven't been checking my email, like, in months, probably, in a few months. Randomly. And I randomly was checking it for something else. And I saw that it shipped, and then I forgot about it. So, yeah. This is protected. This comes off. This is like a little silicone cover. Oh, this has a protecting cover. Oh my gosh. The shipping, the presentation, everything is so well done with the bag icon. You will not be disappointed. This color is exactly what I wanted. Hot pink, fuchsia, whatever you want to call it. I am in lust over it. And I love her. And I'm going to get my little pink wallet that I have. And I'm going to switch everything out. And yeah, we're going to be rocking a new bag this weekend. Oh, and we're supposed to wear pink to church tomorrow. Perfect. Oh my God. I need to find something pink. Do I have something pink? Okay, anyway, thank you for watching. Hashtag the bag icon. Where is it? Instagram at the bag icon. Contact at thebagicon.com. I love, 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 love. She's really pretty too. Yeah, I need to keep this card so I remember to get 15% off my next purchase because I am definitely going to be doing that. I keep saying I'm not going to buy any more bags, and then this is what happens. And this is why I can't afford to go anywhere. Retire. You know, I can afford to go places. I just don't want to. Oh gosh. Hello, gorgeous. Hello. I'm so happy to meet you. Okay, gotta go. Love you. Bye.